This is WCBS New York, an Infinity broadcasting station.
WCBS News Time 3:23.
And if you think all those health claims about magnets are a bunch of hooey, hey, think again.
Well, there's been a lot of hoopla about what magnets can do, and it's kind of bewildering to expect all these things to happen. And I was open-minded, but I was skeptical in this, but I just did the study that had to be done initially just to see if I could see benefit in people who should not get better. And that happened. But I didn't know if it was a placebo. So then I did a placebo crossover trial, and again, there was a benefit that was not placebo. And that's what led me to this.
This is News Channel 4, live at 5.
But one of the most painful problems is a kind of nerve damage in the feet that is very resistant to treatment until, believe it or not, magnets came along.
I've tried everything and nothing seems to work.
But now a new study published today in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation finds that magnets may provide effective relief. Dr. Michael Weintraub designed a national, multi-center, double-blind, placebo-controlled experiment. Michael Montepoli was part of the study.
The needles and pins, the numbing, that, like your foot, that's what's eliminated, and that's the big pain that keeps you awake at night.
Dr. Weintraub says it's only a certain kind of bipolar magnetic insole that seems to help because they penetrate the feet enough to make a difference. And he now believes that it's not a placebo effect.
Within 6 weeks, the placebo response just plateaued, whereas the people who were wearing these therapeutic devices continued to have less and less pain.
This is the news leader, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
The use of magnets in medicine is very controversial because there are a lot of people and companies selling magnets and almost no good medical studies showing proof. Michael Montepoli is unsteady when he walks and always in some level of pain. But his pain has now been lessened somewhat. For over 4 months, Michael has been wearing magnets in his shoes. He was in a study conducted by neurologist Dr. Michael Weintraub of the New York Medical College in Valhalla. Nearly 400 patients around the country took part. All those in the study fit the same criteria.
They have to have specific abnormalities on their examination. They have to complain of pain in a moderate or severe incapacitating way.
The foot pads were worn day and night for 4 months, and the results showed people who had the real magnets had some significant improvement in one or more of the symptoms.
Significant reduction of pain, of numbness and tingling, and also burning pain in the feet. I was also one of those people who was extremely skeptical until we decided to do these studies scientifically and look at the facts. There is some biological activity here. I had spoken to private foundations. I had spoken to pharmaceutical companies. No one was interested. And so when you have an enlightened person like Tom Watanabe state that I believe in my product, do what you got to do, and I'll take my chances. I mean, that shows me not only a vision but a courageousness that only if it was only infectious and could spread to many other communities and divisions, this would be a much better place. And we would get much more studies done, many more studies done, of areas that need to be looked at.